Yeah, let us see the question what it is given here. We need to find the dy by dx for which y is equals to what it is given. Y is nothing but this is tan inverse of root of a minus x by a plus x, and they have given the domain for x. X lies between from minus a to a, right? So for solving this one, you need to keep one thing in your mind. We can't find the, actually we can find derivative directly, but it will be little bit lengthier. So what I will suggest you, try to make this whole thing inside in terms of a tan alone, so that we can solve this for further. For making this as a tan, we need to take a correct substitution. What I will suggest you is, now let us consider x is equals to what? Cos x, a cos theta. Why? Because a is there and this will be cos theta. See, there is a one list of the formulas, which kind of a problems we need to take, which is substitution. I will be giving that substitution in differentiation only. In playlist I'll be letting you know, you can check there. Okay, now let us continue. So what about this? If I have taken x is equals to a cos theta, let me write it down. Y is nothing but what? This is tan inverse of root of a minus a cos theta by this is a plus a cos theta. Is it okay? So what I can do from the numerator and denominator, simply I can take a common. This will be tan inverse of, if I take a common, this will be 1 minus cos theta. And what happened to the denominator? That is simply 1 plus cos theta. Is it okay? We can cancel the a in both the numerator and denominator. For solving this for further, you need to remember two formulas. We already know what is cos 2 theta formula. Cos 2 theta will be what? 2 cos square theta minus 1. So send 1 to this side. I'll be getting what? Cos 2 cos square theta will be 1 plus cos 2 theta. If you check this clearly, see, this is actually we have a direct formula for multiple angles. How you got that one? I am just doing here. So simply what should we do? Here we are having theta, 1 plus theta, right? But here having 2 theta, simply replace theta with theta by 2. So what we will be getting? 2 into cos square theta by 2 must be equals to 1 plus cos 2 into, we have to replace with theta by 2. Are you getting my point? So simply we can cancel 2 here. Is it okay? So if you cancel 2 here, finally what you will be getting here? Let me write it down. 2 cos square theta by 2 must be equals to 1 plus cos theta. So this is the formula. You can simply take it as a direct formula. Is it okay? Let me give you one more formula. What we can say? We can say that cos 2 theta is equals to what? In terms of sign, 1 minus 2 sine square theta. Agree? So with the help of this, what I can say? I can say that 2 into sine square theta must be equals to 1 minus cos 2 theta, right? So simply replace theta with what? Theta by 2. So what you will be getting here, simply 2 into cos, it is not cos, it should be a sine. So 2 into, this will be sine square theta by 2. So what it will be? Just a second. 2 into sine square theta by 2 must be equals to what? 1 minus cos theta. So try to take this two as a formulas. This we will call it as, in multiple angles we will be getting the same. Is it okay? Let us continue. So what I will do here, it is, let us take y is equals to tan inverse of root of, what is 1 minus cos theta? We have here, that is 2 into sine square theta by 2. What is 1 plus cos theta? We have here, that will be 2 into, this is cos square theta by 2. Is it okay? So after this, what we can do? In the numerator and denominator, I can cancel 2. We know that sine by cos will be what? It is a formula for tan. So simply substitute here. Y is equals to tan inverse of sine by cos will be tan square theta by 2. Is it okay? If you want to cancel square and x square, this is nothing but modulus of x. If you remember the formula, note it down. If not, try to note it down. Is it okay? So this is what? This is simply y is equals to, I'll be getting tan inverse of mod of tan theta by 2. So for solving this for further, you have to remember the formula. What we know? We can say that tan inverse of tan theta will be theta. When it will be theta? If theta lies between minus 90 to positive 90. Is it okay? But we need to check about what? Theta by 2. For checking about theta by 2, first of all, let us take x. X ranges from, x is, what is the domain for x? X is from minus a to a. So let me take that one. We have x lies between minus a to a. What is the substitution I have taken? X is equals to a cos theta now. Agree? We want theta, right? So what I will do, this is minus a less than or equals to a. This is cos theta, which is less than a. So in each and every term, simply I can cancel a. Okay? Yeah. So what I'll be getting? I'll be left with minus 1 less than cos theta, which is less than 1. Is it okay? Any doubts here? So what we want? We want cos alone. Is it okay? So from this, what I can say? I can say that simply send cos to the other side. We know that cos of minus theta. But cos is what? We can simply rewrite this as theta. We can, okay, fine. Let us do directly. Let me take it as a theta. In this case, is it okay? So what happened to minus 1 to 1? Cos, we already know cos ranges from minus 1 to 1. From this, what is the domain? We know that. What is the domain of cos? We can say it is a total real number. Is it okay? Are you getting my point here? Yes. And what about the cos inverse? We need to apply inverse. Is it okay? If you apply cos inverse, what is the range of cos inverse? It is from 0 to pi. Is it okay? Let me write it down. If I apply cos inverse minus 1 less than or equals to, this is cos inverse of cos theta, which is less than cos inverse of 1. We know that cos inverse range will be what? It lies between 0 to pi. So this is 0, this is theta, which is less than pi. It should be only less than but not equals to. Are you getting my point? If you feel like again, if you have some confusion, you just try to check it. So we should not take cos inverse of minus 1. Why? Because cos inverse of minus theta will be what? So this will be phi cos theta alone. So it will create a problem for us. Is it okay? So that is why I have done it directly. Is it okay? So from this what we want? We want theta by 2. So what I can do, simply replace theta with a theta by 2 in whole equation. You will be getting here. Is it okay? So I will be replaced with what it is. This is nothing but if you feel like ma'am you have taken this one means this is 90. Okay, fine, I think you understood this one. Continue. We need to divide 0 by 2, which is less than theta by 2, which is less than pi by 2. Is it okay? From this what I can conclude? I can conclude that 0 less than theta by 2, which is less than pi by 2. Obviously it comes under domain. Is it okay? What I said, tan inverse of tan theta will be theta if it lies between what? Minus 9 to positive 90, but it is lies between 0 to 90. Obviously it will comes under this case. So from this what I can conclude? I can directly take it as what? Theta by 2. So finally I got it as what? Y is equals to tan inverse of tan theta by 2. I can write it as simply theta by 2. What is theta here from this? What is theta? X by a is equals to cos theta. From this I can say cos inverse of x by a is nothing but theta. Is it okay? Yeah. So y is equals to 1 by 2 into, in place of a theta I can replace it what? Cos inverse of x by a. Is it okay? Yes, now try to do it. We need to find derivative. Y derivative will be 1 by 2 into, what is the cos inverse of x derivative? Minus 1 by root of, this will be 1 minus x square. 1 minus x is what? X by a the whole square. Is it okay? And what is the, again internal derivative we need to apply? What is that? We need to apply the derivative of the inside, that is x by a. Is it okay? Any doubts up to here? Yeah. So from this what I can conclude? I can conclude that y dash is equals to this will be minus 1 by 2 into 1 by, try to take an LCM. This will be a square minus x square by a square, and this will be x by a, keep as it is. So what we can say? This is y dash is equals to minus 1 by 2 into, if I take it out, a will be cancelled and a will be sent to the numerator, which is a by root of a square minus x square into x by a. So numerator denominator I can simply cancel with a. So what is the final answer here? Just a second. What is this? Its derivative we need to find. What is x derivative? X derivative will be 1, not x. It should be here. It should be 1. Is it okay? I'll be applying derivative, internal derivative. So finally I'll be getting y dash is equals to minus 1 by 2 into root of a square minus x square. Is it okay? Any doubts in this? Yes. If you have any doubts, you can let me know. Is it okay? Okay then. We'll continue in the next. Thank you.